Assalamualaikum dear students of class 4. Welcome to your social studies class. Students, in the previous videos we have completed the chapter 1 of your social studies book, and in today's video we are going to move to our next chapter, which is the world. Students, just have an imagination, okay? Assume or try to think that what is the difference between earth and world. You know, we have in the previous lecture or in the previous unit we have learned about the earth, and in this video we are going to learn about the world. Do you know what's the difference between earth and the world? Are they same thing, or there is any difference between the both of these two? The earth means the overall structure of the planet and its all kind of features, whereas the world means in the entire earth with all of its inhabitants, with countries and people, etc. Okay, earth means the structure of the planet, the whole planet, its structure is generally called as the earth, and the world is called to the entire earth or the entire globe with its inhabitants, means जो उसके रहने वाले, its peoples, its countries, its different areas, etc. All of these things are stated as the world. Okay, बेसिकली देखा जाए तो दोनों चीज़ें सेम है, अर्थ और वर्ल्ड, लेकिन अर्थ कहा जाता है किसको? द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द प्लानट, यानी कि जो प्लानट की पूरी स्ट्रक्चर होती है, वेयर एज वर्ल्ड मीन्स पूरी दुनिया. द वर्ल्ड इज़ नोन एज ऑल द इनहेबिटेंट्स कंट्रीज़, यानी कि जब हम दुनिया की तरफ देखते हैं तो उसके तमाम जो भी रहने वाले कंट्रीज़ हो जाती हैं, फिर उनके डिफरेंट एरियाज़ हो जाते हैं, सो दे आर कॉल्ड एज द वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, तो our today's chapter is the world. So in this chapter we are going to study the world. Student, before starting reading, let's have a look at this picture given at your book page number 7. Student, observe this picture clearly. What you can see, you can observe that the blue one thing is in majority, or it's a large portion of this entire thing is in blue. So what is this blue thing? This blue thing represents the water, the ocean water or the rivers, etc. The entire water blue region is basically water, and the regions, the colored regions, are the land portion. We know that the earth is 70% water and only about 30% land. Majority of the earth portion is covered by the water, and a small portion, 30% only, is consisted of the lands, and the entire land portion of the world. Okay, the entire land portion of the world is divided into 7 parts. Okay, these bigger 7 parts are basically called continents. Okay, and these continents have different names. In all these continents there are many countries, and every country has its own culture, own society, own norms, traditions, values, and own languages. Okay, so we are going to learn about the world. Okay, the land part of the world means ज़मीन वाला जो पार्ट है अर्थ का, ठीक है, जहाँ पर खुश्की मौजूद है, उसको 7 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, एंड दीज 7 पार्ट्स आर नोन एज द कॉन्टिनेंट्स. ओके, ईच कॉन्टिनेंट हैज़ इट्स ओन नेम, एंड इन ईच कॉन्टिनेंट देयर आर मैनी कंट्रीज. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग. द वर्ल्ड इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स. What I told you before, the entire land portion is divided into 7 parts, and these 7 parts are called the continents. Each continent has its own name. These continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Oceania. There are 196 countries in the world today. Okay, how many total countries are there in the world? 196. Okay, in total there are 196 countries, and each continent has its own number of countries. Some are very large continents, some are smaller continents, some have many countries, others have few countries. Countries are states or territory of a nation with its own government, people, language and culture. ठीक है, कंट्रीज़ क्या होती हैं? एक अलग स्टेट होती है, एक रियासत होती है जिसकी अपनी गवर्नमेंट, अपने लोग होते हैं और अपनी लैंग्वेज होती है और अपना कल्चर होता है। ठीक है, हर कंट्री का कल्चर या हर कंट्री की जो गवर्नमेंट होती है, लोग होते हैं, वो एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट होते हैं। कंट्रीज़ हैव देयर ओन लॉज, करेंसीज एंड कुजीन। वी ऑल नो दैट इन एवरी कंट्री देयर आर डिफरेंट लॉज। ओके, हर कंट्री में कानून जो होता है वो अपना होता है और हर मुल्क की जो होती हैं वो करेंसीज डिफरेंट होती हैं। करेंसीज मीन्स यू नो अबाउट द करेंसीज, व्हाट इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ पाकिस्तान? Our currency of Pakistan is rupee. Okay, we measure our money in rupees. For example, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, right? And other countries have their own currencies. For example, America has the US dollar. Okay, they count the money in dollars. $1, $2, $100, etc. So just like this, countries have their own currencies and cuisine. Cuisine means food. Every country has its own food types and their tastes are different and their way of eating different thing is different. Okay, then borders separate the countries. Some borders are naturally made with the help of seas, rivers or mountain ranges, while others are outlined or fenced by government of countries. Borders. Do you know what are borders? बॉर्डर कहा जाता है सरहद को। सरहद जो होती हैं वो क्या करती हैं? कंट्रीज़ को सेपरेट करती हैं। वी नो, अब जाहिर बात है स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ वी वुड नो दैट वेयर डज़ पाकिस्तान एंड वेयर डज़ इंडिया स्टार्ट? आपको कैसे पता चले कि कहाँ पे जो है वो पाकिस्तान है और कहाँ से इंडिया स्टार्ट हो रहा है? बिकॉज अर्थ तो पूरी कंबाइंड है हमारी। चलें, पूरी नहीं, बीच बीच में बहुत से पार्ट जो हैं वो एक दूसरे से अलहदा होते हैं थ्रू द वाटर्स, बट many of countries are located in the same land region. Okay, and these same regions have many countries. So how they make the borders? And sometimes these borders are natural. For example, there is a sea or a river or any mountain that divides the two countries. Let's suppose there is one country and in between there is a river or there is a sea or a mountain, and on the other side there is another country. But sometimes if there is no any natural boundary, then the government of countries make their own boundary line. Okay, they make the fences there and they separate the two countries. यानी कि आर्टिफिशियल तरीके से भी बॉर्डर बनाई जाती है, जिसमें से क्या किया जाता है, अगर तो आपने देखा हो पाकिस्तान इंडिया की बॉर्डर्स पर या दूसरी कंट्रीज़ पर, तो जो होती हैं कांटेदार जो होती हैं वो तारें लगाई हुई होती हैं, बाड़ें लगाई हुई होती हैं, जिससे क्या पता चलता है कि इस बाड़ जो है, यानी कि ये जो इसकी यूँ समझे एक कांटेदार जो तारें लगी हुई हैं, इनकी एक तरफ जो है अगर तो पाकिस्तान है, तो इस बाड़ से हमें क्या पता चलेगा, इस फेंस से हमें पता चलेगा कि इसकी अगली साइड जो है वो कोई दूसरा कंट्री है। ठीक है। Okay, now let's come to our next topic, that is continents. What are the continents? Continents are the large portions of the land. Okay, details of the world's continents are as follows. अब हम एक एक continent के बारे में separately पढ़ेंगे. Asia is the largest continent, beginning from Turkey in the west to Japan in the east. Asia is the largest continent of all the continents. Okay, how many continents are there? There are 7 continents, and among which Asia is the largest one. It starts from the Turkey in the west and to the Japan in the east. It expands from Siberia in the north to Indonesia in the south. The Pacific Ocean lies to the east of Asia, while the Arctic Ocean is at its north and Indian Ocean is at its south. Okay. Let's suppose you can look in the map, and this yellow portion that is given is Asia. This part represents the Asia, okay? And you can also observe from this picture that this yellow portion is bigger than anyone else, right? This yellow portion is bigger than any other portion or any other continent. So it is the largest continent, and it is the Pacific Ocean lies to the east of Asia. Okay, where the Pacific Ocean lies to the east of Asia. When we look into the map, we always have directions given. Let's suppose this will be the east. Okay, this region will be east. So Pacific Ocean is in this side of the. Sorry, let me zoom it. Okay, now you can see. So this region will be east, and the opposite region will be the west. The uppermost region will be north and the lower one will be south. So Pacific Ocean lies to the east of the Asia, so this part of the Asia. Then Arctic Ocean is at the north of the Asia. So you can see this portion is the north portion. So where is the Arctic Ocean? It is at the north. And where is the Indian Ocean? Is at the south of the एशिया. सो यानी कि इसके इस तरफ, एशिया की इस तरफ जो होगा, इस रीजन में, इस डायरेक्शन में यहाँ पर कौन सा होगा, इनका इंडियन ओशन मौजूद है. Student, our today's video end here, and I will meet you in the next video with detailed study of all the continents. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, and I'm going to give you the homework till then. Okay students, your homework is on book page number 10. Open your book page number 10, and as we have completed the introduction of our unit 2, the world. So you have to answer the first 2 questions, write them on your rough copies. You can easily find them on this book, and I hope if you have also understood, so you can write it yourself as well. What are the first 2 questions? The first question is, how many continents are there? Name them. You have to write the names of all the continents there. And number 2 is, what do you know about borders? I have also introduced what are the borders. You also know the definition of the border. If not, then you can go through the video once again and find out what are the borders, and you have to answer both of these questions. Okay, so do your homework properly and regularly. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, stay home, stay safe. I'll see you soon.